Pentagon officials continue to deny any security breach and any responsibility for the events of Dark Thursday. Experts predicted recovery from Dark Thursday would take years, but here in Metropolis, the cleanup effort has been remarkably smooth. The public is stunned at how fast rubble has been cleared from the streets. This is Genevieve Sparling reporting live from
You've been out again all night, haven't you?
Can't do what I need to do in the daylight.
Clark, I know you want to help, but you can't single-handedly rebuild everything that's been destroyed.
It's my mess, Mom. I need to clean it up.
You're not responsible for what happened. Zod is.
Zod would not have been released if for once in my life I'd listened to Jor-El and done what he asked me to do. I have chores to do.
Hey. Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Clark, wait. I've never seen you this worn out. Even you have your limits. The chores can wait.
I'm okay. Really, I'm fine.